So anything in a pivot table, I'm going to left click in it, that's a value can be drilled down into. And how you can tell what are values is obviously what's under the darker headers to the right. But also if you left click, you get the pivot table editor and you go down. So we have rows, we have columns. That's blank. We don't actually have any columns in this table. But then you have values. You'll see quantity and total. So here's quantity, here's total. Both of these can be drilled down into. So if you come into here and you want to see what the 20,485 consists of. So you want to see an output of the lines from this table that are furniture shipped by standard class. So I'll double click on it. And quick as that, easy as pie, it output all three of the lines. And if you look at these totals, you use a shortcut. I usually, if I want a quick sum, I'll just highlight the range and then I'll look in the lower right-hand corner and it will show me the sum. But that's probably a little bit hard to see. So we can also just do a sum formula. And there you go, 20,485. This is all the lines and it contains all of the columns from this pivot table. Now, one thing to keep in mind is I want to suggest creating a pivot table just to then be able to drill down into it. So this table here, you wanted to see only standard class. I've already applied a filter. You can see that by the fact that these arrows are showing up, but I went to data and I turned a filter on. And you want to see the amount of standard class furniture shipments, go to the category and remove everything except furniture and click OK. To do the same thing where that total is 20,486. Let's remove that filter. And the purpose of that was to show you that drilling down is great if you're working from a pivot table, but just don't create a pivot table to only drill down because that's an extra step that you don't need. So if you want to see this file and the accompanying notes and be able to work with it, and also see a collection of 11 other videos on how to build pivot tables, and they will all have linked files and notes, you can check out a course that I built down in the description. And there's a little code down there for 20% off. So next up is a video about a feature of a slicers that you can add to a pivot table that will let you filter the data on the fly and the controls will stay right on top of your worksheet. See you in that next video. Thanks.